Sorry about the heat noise. But we are tearing the dash out of this today. Ignore it. We are tearing the dash out of this today to fix the heat. So I got the battery disconnected, and I gotta wait a little bit, and then I gotta start taking it apart. I got the airbags out and everything. Gotten this far. A lot more to do yet. I gotta take the centerpiece out, and the glove box is already disconnected, it's just sitting there. I gotta take the airbag out, and then I gotta start unbolting the rest. So it's gonna be a little bit of a process, but getting a lot further now. Alright, this is how stupid I am. As you know, there is an actuator right there underneath the dash, inside the dash. Originally, I was told the driver's side was that one. I was wrong. I did all this work for nothing. The actuator I needed was that one right there. It was unplugged and not in place. So I did all this work for nothing. Now I gotta put the actuator back in, put the dash back together, and then put that one in if I can find bolts for it. And the kid's here. He's been messing around all day. But time to put that together. Look at that, we got fog lights. One's flashing, and then that is almost a roller fully. So we're getting some distance. I'm probably gonna end up replacing these with better ones because that one's flashing even though it's wired solid, so it shouldn't be flashing like that, but it is what it is. She rolls. She's got a flat tire, but she rolls. First time in over a year this car has moved. It still needs rear shocks. The front needs to get put together the right way, but I need the engine to compress it. And obviously you can see the rest of it needs to get put back together, but definitely progress. Now we're just going to stuff it underneath the lift so I can work on it tonight because I'm locked in here. Alright, I'm slowly putting stuff together. I lost the bolts for the hinges, but I put one of the dash bars in. I put the trunk hinges in. I can't find my trunk lid. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere in that pile. The hood is behind those doors. The bumper's there. The doors are underneath there. The fenders are underneath there. Can't find my trunk lid. So, gotta find that. But the heat ran out of fuel. And my friend's not back with kerosene. So I'm getting cold in here. But we're gonna keep... I want to get everything. I want to get the doors put on, the trunk lid put on, the fenders hung, but not assembled because I got to do the welding for the front yet. Engine mounts on, and then I want to mock up the new front end. And I would like to put the steering column in and stuff. I forget where I put it though. So hopefully. I gotta get this at least moving under its own power and steering so I can go to the body shop. It doesn't have to have brakes, it just has to roll easily because the guy's kind of handicapped, but he can paint and he can do body work, so that's where we're at. Alright, the doors are hung on it. I put the hood hinges on, put the trunk hinges in. I can't find my trunk lid. Don't know what the hell happened to it. I thought it was in here somewhere. Apparently it's not. The fiberglass fenders don't fit worth anything. So there's the hood though. We got that. We also cleaned the shop. Friend's car. Suburban. In the process of putting the transmission in it. And there's a Corvette. The Galaxy's tucked away now. But just trying to get stuff knocked out, trying to get stuff done while I have some off time. Alright, we got the transmission out. New ones right there next to Javon.
I did it.
I guess we gotta put it in tomorrow, don't we?
I'm not here tomorrow.
Yeah. That's gonna be fun.
We're also, YouTube, we're also getting my 7.3 worked on, and maybe I might get a 6.5 turbo diesel.
So, more cars are coming, although we really don't have the room, but shh.
And then we have a brand new Volkswagen as well.
Yeah, I'm sitting on a Volkswagen right now that is
Absolutely.
Junk.
the kid's car. Gotta do a water pump timing on it.
It's a 1.8T.
That's gonna be fun.
So, too freaking slow. It's got a wastegate.
That's a 1.8.
It's slow.
It's faster than the Cobalt.
He has boost lines everywhere. It leaks oil.
It does not leak oil.
It does.
Where?
It's
I'll show you here in a
leaking
second.
oil.
Well, that seems to be a Jetta problem, not a me problem.
It's a typical Volkswagen. It's got all the typical Volkswagen
Problems.
and problems.
I have a 7.3 that goes choo 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 choo.
This one ain't as special, but it's typical Volkswagen bullcrap. So we got to do all of it.
It means that I just
Have
watch.
fun, people.
Good night.
Thanks for watching. Tune in to the next one. See ya.